All right, folks, gather around because today I've got a little gardening secret to share with you. We're diving into the world of natural fertilizers, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. So grab a seat and let's chat about how to make one of the most amazing natural fertilizers using just a few free ingredients you probably already have lying around. Now, picture this: a lush garden, thriving with healthy plants, all thanks to a little-known resource that's often misunderstood. Yup, you guessed it. We're talking about wood ashes, Mother Nature's way of giving our soil a serious boost in the fertility department. You see, when a brush fire or something similar burns through an area, it leaves behind ashes that are chock full of goodness. The minerals in these ashes, like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, stick around even after the flames die down. And that's where the magic happens. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's talk about how to get your hands on some fresh wood ash. The key here is freshness. You want ash that hasn't been exposed to rain. Rainwater can wash away all those valuable minerals, so it's essential to use virgin wood ashes that haven't been rained on. Now, the best kind of wood ashes come from a mix of different woods, including hardwoods and some softwoods. If you can get ash from smaller twigs and branches, even better. Just make sure it's all natural and hasn't been treated with any chemicals. Once you've got your fresh wood ash, it's time to whip up a batch of fertilizer. We're talking 1 part ash to 5 parts water. So if you've got a 5-gallon bucket, mix in 1 gallon of ash and fill the rest with water. Stir it up real good until everything's dissolved and you've got yourself a powerful fertilizer solution. Now, here's the fun part: watering your plants with this nutrient-packed concoction. Plants in the allium family, like garlic and onions, absolutely love this stuff. And don't forget about your leafy greens and tomatoes. They'll thank you for it too. Now, here's a little myth-busting for you. Contrary to popular belief, wood ash fertilizer doesn't really mess with the pH of your soil. Nope, that's all in the hands of the plants themselves. So feel free to use this fertilizer once a week without worrying about throwing off your soil's balance. And speaking of balance, incorporating this natural fertilizer into your gardening routine, alongside other goodies like fish fertilizer and compost, is a surefire way to give your plants everything they need to thrive. Trust me, your garden will thank you for it. So there you have it, folks. The secret to a thriving garden lies in a humble pile of wood ash. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and be sure to share it with anyone who could use a little gardening wisdom.